How to unfollow someone on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the Facebook app on your device and make sure to log into your account. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Now, whenever you friend someone on Facebook, you automatically follow them. That means you'll be seeing posts from that account in your newsfeed all the time. When you unfollow that account, you will still be friends with them. However, you will see less of their posts on your newsfeed. For that, you can tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the Friends option. From the list of friends, select the account that you want to unfollow. Now, here you have the option of friends. Tap on that. When you tap on it, this menu is going to open up. At the top, you have the option of unfollow. If you only want to take a break from that, you can tap on the second option of take a break only as well. When you take a break from someone, you will see less of that person's profile and limit what that profile is going to see. If you directly want to unfollow instead of taking a break, tap on the first option of unfollow. Once you have unfollowed this person, you will be seeing less of their post on your feed. You can follow them anytime you want. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.